My buddy Ricky. What's up, dude?
Hey, Jack.
All right, so I need your help. I'm doing a video on smart home devices.
Okay.
And I need you to install a light switch and a plug in my house.
Okay, well, I'll be glad to help.
You good with that?
Sure, absolutely.
All right, and I just want everybody to know this is my guy for any electrical. He owns his own company, Grace Electric. I got to tell you, now you're looking for help on your company, right?
Yes, I need help badly.
Help badly. So if you're looking for a career,
yes, I'd love to find somebody I could train and bring up. Man, I'll pay you good. Be a good place to work.
Nashville area?
Nashville, Middle Tennessee area.
Awesome. All right, guys, so Google Home is rocking in my house. And you know there's a mute button on the back of Google Home. So if you're one of those, tin hat wearing kind of people, you don't want Google Home listening, you can turn it off. And if you still think they're listening, you can unplug it. And if you still think they're listening, we need to talk privately. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna get myself a gold bottom. You can buy the bottoms, they change the colors. Unless Tammy wants a different color, I don't care. I just don't want this gray. I'm ready to kick it up. This is turning on I'm turning on my alarm on the house. It talks to my alarm system. This is turning on my thermostats, turns on the air conditioning. This is giving me the news in the morning when I say good morning, and good night. It's giving me the weather and all that good stuff. Well, over here is the next phase. That's right, I'm moving up more in my smart house. And we're going to be doing a light switch and a plug. This brand is getting lots of attention and good reviews. It's TP-Link, and because it works with both systems. So if you have Amazon Alexa and you want to use it, you can use it, or Google, it works with Google Home. Same with this light switch. All the stuff these people make. This light switch is a single plate, but in my bedroom I had to buy one of these, because I'm going to have the voice light switch. This is for the fan.
Yep, looking pretty simple, man. You got a neutral wire, is the light.
Dude, I'm so anti-handyman. Seriously, I'm such a dork.
And I'm assuming it doesn't matter which one's line and which one's the switch legs.
I guess not, whatever you're saying. We're taking the plate off, no duh. All right, so we're taking off the light switch one, right?
The light switch.
Can we turn it off at least? Or are you that good?
I'm going to leave it on for right now.
Okay.
Just so we have the light.
Right.
Okay.
Are there 4 screws or not?
Nope, just the 2.
Just 2, huh?
Yep.
So we'll only use 2 on our end?
2 on the other end. Well, the bare one here's your ground wire.
Got it.
And I'm going to take it off first.
So you don't get shocked.
Well, I don't want when I take the hot off there, if it accidentally hits the yoke of the switch, then it's going to short out, and I don't want to do that. For some reason, people get scared when you throw sparks. I don't know why, but that people
sparks.
People get freaked out.
All right, so now the light's out because we completely disconnected it.
I don't know which end of this is the live end, so I'm going to treat both of them like they're hot still.
That's right.
Okay.
Here we go.
We're going to twist them back together.
Cool. Okay. All right, so you did the live, and what's the other wire you connected to?
The red one is the switch leg. And this is a constant hot. And for right this minute, I'm just going to cap it off for safety reasons. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to pull the neutral out because we have to have this going to the new switch.
Right. So so it has the 4th wire.
Next one, I'm going to wake the ground wire up.
The ground one goes to what color?
To the green.
To the green. So your ground wire, which is the base of your light switch, goes to the green.
Okay, and then on these 2 black,
right,
it says that it's live and load, so I'm taking it doesn't matter which one goes to the switch leg. We're going to take one to the switch leg.
And then one to the screw.
And then we're going to take one to the constant hot.
Right.
So now, as soon as I connect this, our light switch will be hooked up.
And you can still manually use the switch. So one of the blacks went to the hot, and one went to the...
Right, one goes to the constant hot, and one goes to the switch leg. You see the light is on.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we want that to go in the up position.
Yeah, it works. And we're going to show you how to take the plate off, too.
We're going to try.
Here. And then once you get this screwed in, you're pretty much home free. Just put the plate on.
Put the plate on it.
Yep.
Guess that do the little programming thing. This is just a standard size cover.
Right.
We can go up there for less than $2. You get a mid-size or a jumbo, and it'll cover the one that we took off.
Okay, so my buddy Ricky leaves. He's installed it all beautifully and everything. And I'm trying to connect it to the internet, and it won't connect to the internet. 3 days later, I struggled with everything. It's going to get a little technical. I'm going to have instructions down below on what I did. It's super easy now that I figured out the problem. I read, get a new modem, get one that you can turn off the AP isolation, turn off the guest internet, blah, blah, blah. All this stuff all over the internet. People who are trying to hook up smart home devices are having trouble getting through the firewall protection of the modem that whatever one you got. So it's like smart devices are here and our internet modems are here in America. So many people had trouble with Chromecast. It has the same type of blockage. It's meaning the same issues. So let me tell you what I did to get that fixed. And it took no time at all. It's really simple. Dropped it from WPA2 to WPA with TKIP. So now that I figured out how to get my smart devices to communicate to the internet, I'm now going to go do the plug. Are you guys ready? All right, let's get out of this room. Okay, Google, turn off master bedroom light.
You got it. Turning the master bedroom light off.
Okay, now it's time to do the smart plug. I already connected it to the app like we did with the light switch. In fact, I plugged it into another wall socket until I got it connected. And now I'm unplugging it and using it because it's on my app now. So we're going to move my entertainment system back a little bit. We're going to take the lamp plug out. There we go. Put the smart plug in. Put our lamp plug back in. There we go. Push the entertainment system back so you can't see it. And there's the light. Okay, Google, turn off living room lamp.
You got it. Turning off the living room lamp.
Ta-da! That's it, guys. There you go. A little bit of a hiccup, figured it out. Remember, instructions are down below. And I will have more Google Home stuff heading your way. Really, 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 really loving Google Home. Take care. See you on the next episode.